When I had a look at the near space resources that was filmed, actually the robot was launched into space. It's really exciting footage. It just takes the whole journey of the setting up of the hot air balloon with the obot suspended from it, and then the launch of the obot right up into near space. Actually, you can see the robot actually going above the clouds nearly. It's very exciting.
Make sure there's enough helium in the balloon.
And then the quite mad chase to retrieve the robot when actually it lands in a field in Norfolk. So it's a really exciting project, just one sort of like, a couple of hours footage broken down into really bite-sized activities. So actually, what can we do? What cross-curricular links can we use that really exciting footage to make it enhance the children's experience? So what we've done is looked at maths and science and history and geography. So there's some really complex cross-curricular links being made. One of the really exciting pieces of footage that I've watched is where you've actually got the launch of the obot in his balloon rising up above the school in North London. And as he's rising up, you can see the ground below. So you can see at the beginning, you can see the school, the roof, the playground. And as he rises, because we've got that live footage, we can then see the roads, we can see the fields. So actually that makes a really good geography topic, looking at plan views, looking at aerial views, looking at maps, what can we see below us, looking at, actually as you go higher up, what would you be able to view back below you? Can you see the UK? Can you see the separate towns, etc.? So we've got some really good geographical skills and knowledge being brought across from that one very elaborate but exciting clip. And then, of course, we've got the obot landing. So he lands in the middle of a cornfield in Norfolk, which is quite exciting to locate him. So that brings up that other geographical topic of coordinates. How do we find that obot? Where was he? Where looking at a map, can we identify actually where he landed? Because you can see the location of that site. So we're bringing more geographical knowledge concepts and actually applying it in a real life situation. That's a real map, a real location you need to find. So it's not just, oh, look at a coordinate, look at a map. Actually, can we find where poor obot landed and still was able to speak and talk? So, amazing.
So this was quite a tricky retrieval, this one. That you saw the height of those the crops in the field there. It was really tricky to see, but fortunately we had that really precise information about its location from the tracker, so that really helped us to locate it very precisely. So not the most difficult, but not an easy one either.